Did you know that you could have turned 1000 into 120,000 in just 3 years, completely passively? In this video, I'll show you the best learning tool for 2025 algorithmic trading, also known as trading bot. I highly recommend watching this video until the end and actually using this tool, because members of our community are consistently making money with it. Here are some of their results from our Discord. Don't mind that language, it's from our Ukrainian community, but the numbers you see are in USD. And results like this are posted every single day. People share their earnings, and this is exactly what you can achieve after watching this video. I'll give you two options to get everything set up in just 20 minutes, using my conservative settings. You can simply follow my step-by-step guide, set everything up and start earning. I will also explain how the bot works, how you can experiment with it and what each function does. So make sure to take action, this will definitely pay off financially. Let's get started. A trading bot brings me up to 30% per month, even on the safe settings. I strongly recommend using these settings because the one number rule of investing is preserve your capital. I truly believe that everyone should allocate some amount of money to set up this bot. Also make sure to use the links in the description of this video. They come with exclusive bonus on the exchange, priority support and special deals for the bot itself. We've been using this trading bot for 2 years now, and we have never encountered any critical issues. Of course, if you increase the risk too much, you might run into trouble. That's exactly why I strongly recommend using the most conservative settings, because we are running a marathon, not a sprint. So there are two strategies: beginner-friendly strategy, which I will be sharing with you today, and more aggressive strategy, which requests greater attention to security. You will be able to access this inside our community over time, so make sure to follow this channel to be among the first to get it. So today I will provide you with a ready-made setup using my exact settings. You can simply copy it via the links below the video. But first you need to register in the bot using the first link under this video. Only after registering, move to the second link to claim all the community bonuses. Once set up, the bot runs completely passively. You don't need to manually manage it. You should just check in once a month to top up the commission fees and review the results, that's it. So all you need to do is set up it once, adjust it to your preference and start earning 20-30% per month on average. Also, if everything changes, I will either make an update video or you will find out directly inside our community. I personally used bots on Ethereum and Solana because I find them the most predictable and profitable. Security is my top priority, so I stick to the most stable strategies. If you're looking to trade with 100% monthly returns on other coins and riskier settings, like some of our students do, I strongly recommend doing this on a separate sub-account, allocating a separate balance for it and closely monitoring the market conditions. So how does the bot works? It's very simple. The bot follows the crypto market trend. This is automated trading, but not a magical money button that works for you. However, when you use my settings, you don't have to worry about analyzing the current trend, figuring out which parameters to set, or deciding what's safe and what isn't. I handle all of that for you. You can simply copy, paste the settings and start earning passively. First, we need to identify the trend. Right now we are in uptrend, despite some recent corrections. To manage risk properly, we need to analyze historical price drops and determine how low the price could realistically go. Firstly, we need to check some corrections for how many percent it goes down. For example, here is 13, for example here is 11%, but as you can see, We're still in bullish trend and uptrend, so check some corrections because this is critical for ensuring the bot can withstand market downturns. Since we are currently in a long-term uptrend, that the bot buys when the price dips and sells when the price rises, generating a profit. The main risk comes from miscalculating how low the price can drop. If you don't set proper parameters, you could face unexpected losses. That's why it's important to be cautious and consider all possible market scenarios. Veles is a trading bot that operates using a grid trading strategy. It does not use stop loss orders. Instead, it places multiply orders and constantly averages the entry price, making stop losses unnecessary. There are two types of bots: long bot, which is used when the market is going up, and short bot, which is used when the market is going down. This one is mainly used for futures trading. On a bull market, we use a long bot, and on a bear market, we switch to short bot. So for short bots, we will wait something like a year. And now let me show you how to set up the bot, and you can follow along step by step. Firstly, you will find the registration link as a first link in the video description. Click on it, sign up and create an account. Just enter your email and password, like you would on any other platform. Also, by the link below, you will get $5 for the commissions. Here's everything simple. Get $5 for the test. Again, login in. And once you log in, you will see interface that looks like this. The second step is to connect the bot to your exchange. It's important to note that bot doesn't have access to your funds. We don't deposit any money into it, and it doesn't withdraw, it just can't withdraw your funds from your exchange. Instead, it connects to your exchange via an API key. An API key, simply put, is a feature that allows third-party services to execute trades on your exchange account, but doesn't not allow withdrawals, which is an extra security layer. So inside the bot settings, navigate to API keys, click just Add API key and choose the exchange you want to connect. I'll be using Bybit, as in my opinion it's the best exchange. If you don't have an account yet, I have a tutorial on my channel, or you can click the pop-up card in the top corner of this video. You'll also find the Bybit sign up link in the description of this video. So I will choose Bybit futures as it generated higher profit even in conservative settings. And here we see two setup options: fast connection and manual connection. Manual connection, where we enter the API keys manually, and automatic setup, fast connection, which simplifies the process. But I recommend using the bot on a separate sub account, so we will set up it manually, because we can't do it on sub account in fast connection. So now we are going to Bybit and create a new sub account. Just click here, switch create account, click create, name it bot, for example, or bot we can't use, so just bot 123. Choose here. We can't choose standard account, so just unified trading account, confirm it. So that's created. Then we should to transfer money to this sub account. Doing it completely easy. Just choose the coin which you will transfer, for example USDT. Here is empty, it's test account, for example 1000, and just click confirm, and money will transfer to your sub account. Next, in the menu, just select API. We will go to API management. Here just click create new key. For the new sub account, you also will should to connect Google Authenticator, and then we click system generated API keys. Also, I forgot to tell you, if you are using the mobile device, you can simply search API here in the search. So then we are choosing here connect to third-party applications. Here we are choosing Veles. Here you just choose read and write. So now grant only the necessary permissions. For security reasons, we do not give access to withdraw funds. In the contracts, you select orders and positions. For spot trading, this is optional if you plan to use the same account for spot trading bot, so leave it enabled. I won't enable it right now, so I will not use the spot trading on this sub account. So we just click submit, then confirm using the code sent to your email and Authenticator app. Now we are copy the API keys and paste them into the corresponding field and the bot setup. So copy this, paste here, then we are click to copy API secret and also paste in secret. After this, you click here, just understood, and then we click connect in wallets. So now here we have connected API. You can check it, all your API keys here in the settings, and once the bot is connected, it's time to launch it. Make sure you transfer funds to your sub account where you will be running the bot, and under this video you will find the link to my settings. Once you click on it, the bot will automatically load my pre-configured settings. Just make sure you are logged into the bot website before doing this. Also, don't forget to transfer the money from funding account to Unified Trading. I put it here, $100 to show you. And now we are going to the bot. Here you can see all my settings. Here you will need to set the amount of funds you want to allocate for the bot to trade. And then you will need to set the amount of funds you want to allocate for the bot to trade. You can start with as little as $100, $50, so feel free to test it out before committing larger amounts. For example, you might deposit 10,000 into your account, but only allocate 5,000 for the bot to actively trade. Your funds must be on a derivatives account unless you have a unified trading account. My settings will autofill, but you should adjust the investment amount based on your own risk tolerance. The unused funds will remain in your account as a safety buffer for the bot. I recommend allocating at least 40% of your deposit for activate trading. 50% is even better considering the current market conditions. So if you have $1,000, set 400, 500 for the bot to use. So here for the example, I choose $50, and after that don't change anything else. This bot is set up this way for a reason. Just simply click create bot here and it will appear in your list of activated bots. You can name it how you want. I will leave this name and just click run. Now that bot is created, you will need to fund it for the commission fees. Since your trading capital stays on your exchange, the bot doesn't have direct access to it. So you need to deposit $50 into the bot's account. This is the maximum amount it can charge for a full month of trading. The bot takes 20% of the net profit, but never more than $50 per month. So even if it earns you $50,000, the fee remains just $50. This appeals to both futures and spot bots. If the bot runs of commissions funds, it will stop trading, meaning no new orders will be placed. So don't forget to top up it regularly every month. So you need to deposit funds into the platform. To do this, just click on your email at the top, and here you will see the limit which I mentioned earlier. Click deposit, choose which currency you want to use to fund in, select the network, for example USDT, select the network, for example Arbitrum one, and transfer funds to this wallet address provided. It's as simple as that. One of the biggest advantages of this bot is that you can start with almost any budget. Even with just $50 or $100, you can deposit as little as $5 for commission fees and test it out to see how it works and how it generates profit. If you are not comfortable starting with a large amount, this is a great way to experiment with minimal risk. That's it. So you have created an account on Exchange by the link below or by the previous video, created an account on the bot using my links and claimed your bonuses. Then you connected the bot to the exchange via API key and then enabled the bot with recommended settings. Then you selected your trading amount, made sure you have enough funds for commissions, and this was a quick action plan. Make sure to take advantage of this powerful tool and multiply your money in 2025. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.